Negara Brunei Darussalam means abode of peace, while Negara means country in Malay. Kampong Ayer, or water village. So from our hotel, which is the Capital Residences Suites, that is already in the heart of few tourist attractions such as Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque and Royal Regalia. Not to forget that they do offer free shuttle pickups and drop-off. We still opted to go by foot and walk towards Kiange. A ferry terminal is located there as well, where you can take a water taxis if you so wish to go around the water village. And there are nearby waterfront where you can check out shops as well. Yay! It's kind of there. So we're gonna go to waterfront, but then we saw this on our way there, and it's just like few blocks from our suites, so we decided to check it out. So this is where one
There's
of
the
the
water
ferry
taxi
terminal
right
is
there.
located, where you can find water taxis to take you to Kampong Ayer or the water village. Kampong Ayer is a historical settlement area on in Bandar Seri Begawan, the capital of Brunei, which literally means water village. Kampong Ayer consists of a cluster of traditional stilt villages built on the Brunei River, mainly in the vicinity of the present-day Pusat Bandar or the city center. Hence, it has often been dubbed as Venice of the East since the past. Kampong Ayer has been historically the principal settlement of Brunei. It was the de facto capital, in particular, social and economic center of the Bruneian Empire for a few centuries, but also extending into the early period during British imperialism in Brunei. The present name Kampong Ayer is the old Romanized spelling of the Malay term Kampong Air,
Waterfront.
which is literally translated as water village. However, the old spelling version is retained and still used as the primary name of the place.
Why there is a Canadian flag here?
Kampong Ayer consists of several small neighborhoods which are officially designated as villages, the third and lowest level administrative divisions of Brunei. Each has its own village head. The houses, thus villages of Kampong Ayer, are interconnected with bridges and walkways, wooden and concrete, creating contiguous areas. Thus, accessibility among many villages are possible by foot. Among non-contiguous areas and where the villages are not located along the river banks, these areas are accessible by water transport, whereby the most common transport mode is the water taxis. They are wooden motor boats which transport anyone at fairs, among jetties in the villages, and along the river banks in its vicinity. Similar to public housing developments on land, Kampong Ayer has also a few public housing areas in the form of stilt houses. The most recent development is the pilot project in upgrading Kampong Ayer, which saw the construction of single and double-story houses in the Sabah and Paramo areas. Thank you for watching. So we have been to Kampong Ayer. Jami Asir Hassanil Bolkiah Mosque and Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque. So more to come on the next few vlogs. So I hope to see you again here soon. Bye.